Hey guys, welcome to CreativeSoft in yet another speed test comparison between these particular pen drives, the Lux and the other one is the SanDisk Ultra. And this is having the slider mechanism. I have already done an in-depth review on this and comes with a Type-C connector. I mean, both of them comes with a Type-C connector, and you all can go with either of them for your iPad, MacBook, or your Android phone. And this is one of the best pen drives which are available in the market. I'll be linking them in the description. And if you like this kind of speed test comparison video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any future videos. So let me just connect to my MSI computer and do a speed test comparison between these. So I'm using the Crystal Diskmark, and on the left hand side I'm having the Lux pen drive. On the right hand side I have the Ultra dual drive. And in my particular opinion guys, honestly I'd been using both of them for a very long time, so more than a year. And I think I got my hands on the Lux pen drive like from day one of the sale when they launched in India, and would say this is one of the best pen drives available in the market. Personally I'm using both of them, one for transferring my personal documents, other for using maybe like movies or maybe other kind of videos which are also which I usually edit and all. And transferring between both of this particular pen drive guys, the speed is awesome, so you wouldn't have any issues with them. And as you can see from this particular speed test comparison, the read speed of both the particular pen drives are almost equally same, which is around 145 MB for read, and the Lux is slightly lower for the other kind of files. Like if you have a slightly lesser file weightage, then and the slider pen drive will be much more better, that is the Ultra dual drive. And in my particular case guys, I did not face any issues after using these particular pen drives for more than a year. And in fact the slider pen drive, that is the Ultra dual drive, this is my second pen drive, and it is that good that I had previously purchased it, and I had already given this particular pen drive to many of my friends and all. And so I just purchased this for my personal use. And as you can see, even the write speed of the slider pen drive is much more better. But just in case if you are using it for a very long time, suppose you all intend to keep it for a like maybe 3 4 or 5 years, I would definitely recommend go with the Lux, because it have a very nice body, it have this nice rotating clicky mechanism, and the clicking is very satisfying. You all can even use it like a fidget spinner. And it is one of the best pen drives. It's a metallic build, it really looks classy, and especially if you are using something like a MacBook or some other high-end laptop, then definitely if style is your highest priority, please go with the Lux and skip the plastic Ultra dual drive. And in my particular case guys, the slider was slightly misaligned, so I had to order the second one. Even the second pen drive was having the same issues. In fact, this pen drive which I got had the same issue. So let me just show you the read write speed of this. So the Lux and the read speed of both this particular pen drive is same, the 145 Mbps. But if you see the write speed of this is almost like 42 Mbps, whereas the write speed of this is 58 Mbps. So clearly the pen drive on the right hand side is much more faster compared to Lux, because I may have done a second kind of a comparison guys. So because of the heat and all, the Lux might be slightly slower, but this mechanism guys, it tend to get loose over time. So my recommendation is just go for this. In fact 42 Mbps is quite fast in terms of transfer, and I'd been using this. This is my second test comparison, so maybe because of that the Lux is slowing some kind of a loss in speed, but this is definitely fast guys. Even with the first test I feel the Lux was behind and the slider pen drive was fast, that is Ultra. I hope you like this particular video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out this awesome video which we have it on our channel, because there is something always new to learn on CreativeSoft. And thanks again guys for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.